What is up guys, it's me Devargam back from the Techipedia. So today in this video I'll be giving a detailed review about the latest MiBox that recently launched, priced at 3499. If you haven't checked out the unboxing video yet, then do check that out. The link will be in the description box below. With that being said, let's get straight into the box. First things first, it's a streaming device. Basically turns any non-smart TV to smart TV. It's pretty lightweight and compact, as you can see, fits in my palm, and sleek design. Comes in only one color, that's the black color. Has two extra ports, that's the USB and the 3.5mm audio, with which you can connect mouse, keyboard or sound system, pen drive, which is quite handy, and you do not get that in its rival product Amazon FireStick. So yeah, so it's really very handy because you cannot control everything with your remote itself, and controlling it with the mouse or the keyboard is pretty handy. You can also download a Bluetooth remote for your mobile phone. It will be in the description box below. I'll post the link. And also when it comes to the remote, it's a Bluetooth remote, as you can see. Comes with a Netflix and a Prime Video inbuilt and a Google Assistant. It's a button. So the remote is quite minimal and sleek. It doesn't come with a battery, so you have to put in the batteries and then it works pretty fine. The buttons are tactile, but then it's like the remote is quite small, so, and also kind of a matte finish. Coming to the fact that the Prime Video previously didn't support in MiBox, it is a product, it's MiBox S basically, which launched 1 year back. Now it's renamed as MiBox 4K. Just nothing, just one change was the software upgrade and nothing more. It was priced at 5,000 then, and now it's reduced and quite a competitive price. Coming to the UI part, it's the similar Android TV OS, as you can see, pretty fluid and smooth, snappy. You have no problem with this, and I'm pretty happy with the UI itself. It's pretty simple and basic, just like any Mi Smart TV you'll get. So it's kind of similar. It definitely converts your TV to a smart TV. It's a 7-year-old TV, as you can see. It's LED, Samsung LED 32-inch, and now it's a smart TV, so that's great. Also, when you compare to the Amazon FireStick, the Amazon FireStick doesn't have any external port, as I said before. It has to be plugged in behind, while it can cause some Wi-Fi issues. But then when it comes to this, there will be no Wi-Fi issues as such. And also, if it does, you can actually get yourself a Ethernet to USB adapter and connect your USB Ethernet cable with that adapter. And also, for the pricing part, the Amazon FireStick for the 4K comes at around 5K, and for the HD version comes at 4,000. So 3,999 at exact. So at the price point, it's 500 less for the HD version and 1,500 less for the 4K, because it supports 4K too. For the audio, it supports Dolby, just Dolby, not Dolby Atmos to be precise. And also the fact the sound is pretty clear and quite loud, so I didn't have any problem. But as usual, you can have any audio system or home theater connected to this device. My final verdict will be that this is one of the best Xiaomi device I have ever seen. And comparing the segment here, you have Apple, which is quite out of the budget. You have the Airtel Extreme, you have the D2H Videocon 1.2, and also you have the Amazon FireStick. And when you compare all of this, the Mi stands out. I hope you like this video. Share this video with your friend. I hope to see you in my next one.